informed beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about how to layer skincare. I see on TikTok, I see on YouTube, I talk to my clients, and y'all are layering your products incorrectly. Products are not only formulated a certain type of way for certain, skin conditions and skin concerns, but they're also formulated to be layered a certain type of way. When you are out and about and you're picking up a product, it is not just important that you look at the ingredients and what that product does for your skin, but you also have to know how to work with that product. And the product usually will tell you on the label how to, and if you're not sure, that is why your girl is here. First thing first, cleansers. We all know cleansers are the base, so you want to make sure you're using a cleanser. I don't need to go too much into that because that is not rocket science. Cleanse the skin before you do anything. Make sure you have a clean base. All right, now this is where we're gonna get into the juiciness, right? The next step after you cleanse your face is a toner. All right, toners and astringents are like your second cleansing. Example of a toner will be witch hazel. Okay, so you would take a toner, and pretty much a toner just goes through and it cleanses. It's your second cleanser. It removes any excessive dirt, makeup, oils from the face. Okay, so toners always go on after you cleanse the skin. They never go on at the third step. No, toners are always the second step. Third step after you tone is always serums. Serums are, I call them targeted treatments, because serums, depending on what skin conditions or what skin situations you got going, they are a lot more concentrated when it comes to like what they do. So for example, have like the Boston Squalene Copper Peptide. It's like an anti-aging serum, and I have like the dewdrops, the niacinamide dewdrops here, and these are just targeted products. Okay, these are going to do something specific for your skin, whether it's anti-aging, moisturizer, moisturizing, acne. These are concentrated to target what it is that your skin concerns. Okay, so they always are that step before your moisturizer. All right, your serums are targeted treatments, and they are supposed to be used they're the third step in your skincare routine. Next is moisturizer. Now, moisturizers always are your last step. So I see, like I said before, where people put oil, then moisturizer, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. But your moisturizer is your final seal. That is going to give your skin back the moisture in which probably you extracted from it, either when you cleanse the skin, but it's going to support that skin's moisture. After that are oils. Come here. I need for y'all to listen. After a moisturizer, you put down an oil. Why y'all putting oils on top of moisturizers? Why y'all putting moisturizers on top of oils? That is not the purpose of an oil, and we're going to talk about it. So depending on your skin concerns, of course, and this is throughout this whole video, I really want you to understand too, it also depends on your skin type and what you are, doing with your skin. If you decide to use an oil in your skincare routine, it is at the end of everything. And that oils are a sealant. They lock in everything. If you were to put an oil on the skin and put down a moisturizer on top of an oil, that moisturizer is not penetrating the oil to get into the skin, because oil is a sealant. It's going to block off anything on top of that. So you guys, moisturizers first, and then you put an oil on top. Now this is a great step, especially for my dry skin girls out there. If you have really dry skin, I always say put down your moisturizer first, then lock it in with an oil, and you will see a major difference in your skincare routine. I just really want to make sure y'all get that, and make sure y'all know, don't be out here just buying these skincare products and not knowing how to properly use them. And be very mindful of what you see on these apps, because a lot of the people on these apps are not estheticians, cosmetologists, dermatologists. They're not educated like I am about skin, about products. They're just getting something and showing you how to use it, and a lot of times it is incorrect on how they are using the product. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.